Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install Microsoft 365 web apps using Google Chrome on Windows 11 PC. For your information only, you can always use free version of Microsoft 365 using any web browser. However, if you prefer to install Microsoft 365 apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Outlook on your Windows 11 PC, then first open your Chrome browser and then navigate to the link that you can find in this video description. For instance, I have included Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook links in this video description. Visit any link that you want to install as a app and then click on this one triple dots menu in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select save and share option and then click on this one create shortcut option. By default it will open in a new tab in your Chrome browser. In case you want to open as a window, check this one option open as window and then click on this one create button. Similarly, you can create a install your Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook app on your Windows 11 PC. After installing it, click on this one start button and you will find here Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Outlook, whatever you have installed on your Windows PC. After clicking on this one app, you can open it directly on your Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. In case you want to uninstall it, click on this one start button and then select settings. Under settings, select this one apps. On the right sidebar, click on this one installed apps. Here find your installed apps and then click on this one triple dots menu and select here uninstall option. Again click on this one uninstall option. Then click on remove button. This will remove or uninstall that particular app from your Windows 11 PC.